Welcome back to my final More Report analysis video on Tuesday the 7th of June with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. Let's look at gold. And we've seen obviously they've got the sharp bull recovery on Friday, just a consolidation since then really, nothing too significant in terms of correction or sort of continuation. It's basically just moved sideways, although you would certainly argue that the improvement in the technicals is still there. You've got the stochastics, which is rising quite strongly now, the RSI back up towards 50, MACD lines looking to cross over, so the improvement is there, and I think that ultimately this is now playing out as a choppy range play. Ultimately that means I think he's probably going to see a bit of a correction possibly coming through in the next couple of days, but I think that would be bought into. Now the issue is that gold has been a big underperformer of pretty much all the forex majors, if you class gold as a currency, and that's been driven by the dollar. Now the dollar correction should theoretically be gold supportive. However, I think that gold is still a bit of an underperformer, and I think that could give rise to a bit of a correction on gold near term. But would that therefore be a buying opportunity? So we sort of look at this chart, and we think, well, where are the next levels that gold could come back to? Well, 1233.60 is your initial line, although very near term 1239.50, which is basically the support overnight. But yeah, 1233.60 is your initial line, and 1220, sort of between sort of 1220 and 1224, 1225. There's sort of a old pivot band as well, old line of support that actually dates back quite a long way, over a couple of months on gold. So that is also a supportive area. So you'd be looking out for, I think, the good buying opportunity within that band, I think, ultimately, because you've seen the momentum in sort of improvement, and also the moving averages turning up. So generally speaking, you'd say gold is more of an improving chart now. It's just that I think any signs of weakness, I think, will be bought into. Again, today you're seeing this improvement in risk sentiment, so the gold price is slightly lower, and I think that could be another thing that sort of improves the outlook on gold. But just for now, it's basically just consolidating, and is sort of waiting for the next real sort of catalyst. And I think that could come if you lost that 1239.50 support, which it was there, 1239.50 support area. I think if you did that, you could argue that was a small top pattern. You'd measure that from 1248, so it's about sort of $9 lower. Again, that would be 1230, so that would be in the middle of this support band then, wouldn't it? So I think you are still running the risk of a near-term correction, but ultimately I think it would be probably seen as a bit of a buying opportunity to continue to play this range, which has basically built up over the past sort of 4 or so months. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.